So you got an audition. Yes! How do you prepare for it? What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for turning up and tuning in to my YouTube channel. My name is Islam Balba, and I'm here to take you on my personal acting journey and discuss everything to do with the business side of acting. So you got an audition. Congratulations. The first step here is to celebrate those wins. Pat yourself on the back. You deserve this. That means that someone, somewhere is interested in you and wants to see your work. The first thing you need to go through is a mental check. Trust me, it's important. Go with the mentality that I'm there to fix the casting director's problem. I'm there to help them as much as it helps me. Secondly, think of the audition as a job. As actors, we spend more time auditioning than being on a film set or stage. It is our job, but once it's done, forget about it. Throw it out the window, move forward, and on to the next one. All right, let's start preparing for this. You'll get the sides. Sometimes it's pages of sides. Sometimes it's literally one line. If that's the case, you don't need to stress too much. They're literally looking for a specific look and they want to see if you fit it. That is especially true for commercials. So if you don't get it, it has nothing to do with your acting skill. So this is what I do to prepare. Everyone has a different method, but this is my personal process that has worked for me. First, I read the character breakdown, then I imagine myself being that character. Then I read the side 10 times. Then I ask myself the following question. What is my main objective followed by what is my immediate objective? What are my obstacles and how do I overcome it? What do I do to get what I want? What are my actions? Then I analyze the circumstances. What year is it? Where am I? Finally, what are my relationships with the other characters? Alright, now I'm ready to memorize my lines. Since I've read the side 10 times, it will be easier. I memorize a few lines at a time and I start saying them out loud to figure out the rhythm and the flow of the words, as well as the beats and the pauses that will make the scene pop. Now I'm ready to film and I pick out the most appropriate outfit for the character. If it's an in-person audition, I'm good to go. I arrive early and I bring in my A game. I've done the work and it's all in the back of my head, my muscle memory, my subconscious, and I don't get too hung up about how I practiced or rehearsed. It is time to go with the flow. Be flexible and go with whatever casting throws at me, because I know I've done the work and I'm prepared. If it is a self-tape, I read the filming instructions. Make sure I have the correct framing they asked for in the scene. Then I set up my camera, figure out my line of sight, where I need to look to actually speak to the other character, then figure out my surroundings where I pick a few objects and imagine them to be the actual sets and props of the scene. As for a reader, I used to ask my friends to help me out with a read. Then they got annoyed fast. So I found this website, weaudition.com. You pay $10 a month, and once you're ready to audition, you choose a reader from a list of actors online. Plus, you'll be getting professional actors who'll actually make your audition a lot better and give you good feedback. Then once your audition is done, you pay them $5 for their efforts. I usually go with 3 to 5 takes. More than that, it becomes robotic and you're really not acting anymore. I always try the last take to be something completely out of the box. You never know, it could be the best take. Finally, I start watching my takes. Usually I go with the first take unless I screwed up a line or framing. Then I'm good to go. Slate, edit, upload to Google Drive, download, then upload to the casting site. The whole process from beginning to end takes me 2 to 5 hours, depending on how long the sides are. That's it, that's all. You're done. And then you forget about it. Seriously, forget it ever happened. There's nothing you can do at this point. You'll not even get a reply if you don't get it. If you do get a role or a callback, you'll be contacted. How do you prepare for an audition? I'd really love to know. Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can be able to provide a lot more content on getting you on the big screen and stage. Thank you for listening and break a leg up.